Shesha. In this video, we are going to create our own account on AWS, and as you progress through the course, you might notice references to both AWS Cloud9 and AWS CodeCatalyst. Now here's a bit information about AWS CodeCatalyst. So AWS Code9 is something that is no longer available for new customers from July 2025, July 25, 2024 actually, and existing users are using the service normally, but new environments cannot be created in Cloud9. But the modern solution is the CodeCatalyst or AWS CodeCatalyst, which allows you in the free tier, includes 2000 builds per minute per month and 60 development environmental hours per month, with 10 GB of storage space and 64 GB total development environment storage. And it is available for new users, and it is a normal thing. And again, the IDE experience for Code9 within with CodeCatalyst, it uses a different standalone version, and the features are actually upgraded because the Cloud9 was IDE only, whereas the CodeCatalyst is full development life cycle that includes CI/CD, project management, and collaborations. So the free tier is a better one for CodeCatalyst, and let's do it practically, and let's see the screen recording of creating an account on AWS CodeCatalyst and how the AWS cloud works. So let's move on. By the way, don't forget to scan the QR code available in the bottom left side for WhatsApp updates. The first thing that you need to do is go to codecatalyst.aws, and this will give you a free access if you are doing it for the first time. But the basic requirement is to have a working credit card or debit card that allows international payments. So there are some limitations which are provided in the pricing section, but for now we are going to create our account for this course. So I'll click on sign up. Now you need two things over here. One is the CodeCatalyst AWS account, and the second is the free tier of AWS. So we'll do it in this video. We are going to do both the things in this video. So the first thing is go to the website and type in your email ID. Now this should be a fresh email ID. I personally recommend a fresh email ID. Now this email ID and the AWS email ID can differ a bit if you want to, but make sure you are using the same email ID. Personally, I have used the same email ID. After the verification process, you will be able to choose a new password. A verification code will be sent to your email address, which will verify the email address, and then you can set up a password. And the second thing after doing this is to create a unique alias for CodeCatalyst. So I usually name it with my name, so I'll just give it a random name. You can give whatever you want. I'll just add in Priyank Gada. I'll click on next. Now this is the name of your space. Now this is again something that you can give as per your requirement, and you can choose the region whichever is closer to you. And now the best and the most important part is go to AWS Management Console and add in your AWS account ID. If you don't have your AWS account ID, don't worry, I'll guide you, and we are going to create a new account for AWS account management. So just click on the link, and over here also you can either sign in if you already have a AWS account, or you can just create a new one. The verification process is simple, but over here there is an extra step of adding a credit card number and your identification, that is in India we need to add in your PAN card details. We are going to choose a 6-month free trial, and we are doing it for personal use, hence I have selected individual. And once you do the verification, you need to verify your mobile number as well, and Amazon will give you a call, and you have to enter the code that is presented on your screen. The sign up process is pretty simple and easy to follow. Once you enter the verification code on the phone that you receive, on the call that you receive from Amazon, your account will be verified. Once the account is verified, you will be presented with a screen that will ask you the motivation for creating the account. Now, as you can see, once this is done, the page will automatically refresh and your Amazon AWS ID will be displayed. So don't worry if the AWS ID is not yet displayed. You will see a congratulations message and AWS Management Console will be displayed over here. So just click on continue and you can set your preferences. Like for example, I'll set my role as a student. You can directly go to the AWS Management Console, or you can click over here on this link and you can set up your goal as well. So for example, you can set that you are a student and you are interested in learning let's say DevOps or whatever you want to learn. So once you click on the link, you will be presented with this screen, and over here you have to copy the Amazon AWS ID. Just copy the ID and paste it in the previous CodeCatalyst page, and once you do that, you will be presented with a button called next. So I'll simply copy the ID, I'll go back and paste it over here. I'll click on next, and this will basically tell me to verify the ID. So again, you have to come to this page, that is your Amazon AWS verification page, and over here you have to click on continue. So this is how the CodeCatalyst space verification works. So copy the number over here and the instructions are given over here. Verification token will be shown and you need to copy that and paste it and click on next. Once this is done, once you click on verify, this page will automatically refresh and your space is ready. By the way, don't forget to scan the QR code.